In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add priority columns in Monday.com. If you've ever needed to organize your project tasks more effectively, adding a priority column can be a game changer. It helps you clearly define the urgency of tasks, allowing for better management and streamlined workflow. So let's walk through the steps to get this set up on your board. First, start by opening up your board in Monday.com, where you want to add that extra layer of organization. Located right next to the last column on your board, you'll see a little plus icon. It's pretty intuitive and easy to spot, as it's a universal symbol for adding something new. What you'll want to do here is click on that plus icon. Once you do, this will open up a drop-down menu. This menu contains a variety of options for different column types you can add to your board. With Monday.com offering so many choices, it can sometimes be overwhelming to find exactly what you're looking for. But don't worry, they've included a handy search bar right within this drop-down. Simply type priority into this search bar. As you start typing, the priority column option should appear. When you see it, go ahead and select it. Monday.com will automatically add this new column right where you clicked the plus icon. Now let's take a closer look at what the priority column brings to your table. By default, the priority column comes equipped with 4 priority labels: low, medium, high, and critical. These labels are quite effective for setting the urgency level for your tasks right as you input them. However, every project has its unique needs, and Monday.com understands that flexibility is key. To customize these labels to better fit your workflow, click on the option labeled Edit Labels. This will allow you to rename any of the default labels if they don't quite fit what you're doing. Maybe you need terms like urgent, or can wait, or whatever suits your project best. Interestingly, you also have the option to change the colors of each label. This can be particularly helpful if you're using color coding across your projects for seamless recognition at a glance. And just like that, you've successfully added a priority column to your board on Monday.com. It's as simple as that. With these few straightforward steps, you're now equipped to prioritize tasks more effectively, leading to enhanced productivity for you and your team. Feel free to experiment with different labels and color settings until you find what works best for your workflow. Thank you for tuning in. I hope you found this guide useful. Keep watching for more tips and tricks to optimize your Monday.com experience. Until next time, happy organizing!